This week I went in store to our local J. Crew factory to see what they had for the summer season 2024. I found several dresses. I got brave and I'm trying on a few pairs of shorts. And of course, I always like to look for linen blends and cotton natural fibers. This event dress looks really cute too. Here are a couple more pairs of shorts and even a couple of summer sweaters. First up, we're looking at this short sleeve lady cardigan. I am wearing it in a size medium, and it's a little more muted in color. The lights in there were very bright, so it is making it look a lot sharper. Honestly, I don't mind it. I think it's very cute. Comes in sizes double extra small through 3X, and the lowest price I'm seeing on this is $68.50, but as with any factory store, the prices vary dramatically, so you'll just have to check online or in your local store. I also am trying on these linen cotton blend pants. I definitely need a tall in these. They do run with petite, regular sizing, and tall. I am showing the regular size here, which only has a 26-inch inseam, so they look like capri pants on me, and they definitely run below the waist, and I have a short torso, so that says a lot. They do have a drawstring on there, and they are comfortable and very true to size. I'm actually showing them in a size 8. I think that they could be cute and they could be a good work pant if you found the right length. Next up is one of my favorite pieces. It is a soft knit beach sweater, and it is definitely that. It comes in like 7 different colors. I have it in the light khaki. This one I'm probably going to go back and purchase. I absolutely love it. It's so soft, breathable, lightweight. You do want to wear it to the beach. I'm showing it in a size small though, so it is a little bit oversized of a fit, and you could tuck it in, which I will do later with another pair of shorts, but I preferred it kind of loose and hanging out. Love this sweater, and the lowest price I've seen it so far is $50 and extra small through 3X. The Chino shorts I'm showing are a 5-inch inseam, and they come in 9 different colors, showing them in a size 10. They are comfortable. I'm just not really a shorts person, so they are staying in the store. Lowest price though was $24.95, and they come in sizes 00 through 16. So between the colors and the size options, you can definitely find some. Next up is this linen blend. I just made a set out of it. The shorts have a nice length. They are comfortable, but they are very sheer, and they have an elastic back. I'm showing them in a size 10. They were fairly comfortable. I would get a darker color though, because I would be worried about seeing through them. Overall though, they're not bad. They do have a few other color options. The striped button down linen blend top was not my favorite at all. It is scratchy, and I'm wearing it as a size small, so it fit in most places, but then it got tight if I was going to try to wear it hanging out, and then it was extra loose around the waist. So I just didn't prefer the cut of this. The price does vary on these, but I would definitely pass. These paper bag shorts are sized differently. You go by your waist size. I put a size 30 on. They are very stretchy and kind of comfortable, but they like to ride up in weird places, so they're definitely staying in the store. I also did not appreciate this crazy belt. There was nothing you could do to control it. They do have a 5-inch inseam, and the price point was around $29.50 that I saw online as well. But overall, they just had a really hilarious fit. I did tuck in that same sweater just to show you it can be tucked. All right, this black mixed fabric dress is really cute, and it has that very utility chic vibe going on. They are showing as sold out at the moment, but in store they had several in black and in khaki, so I would still check online and in your local store. $64.50 is what it is running. It actually could be bump friendly because I'm wearing this in a size small, and I still had plenty of room. It is a nice stretch knit fabric. You would need like a T-strap bra with it though, and then the bottom half is a poplin cotton. They do have pockets. I think this could be a really easy go-to dress, and you could even get away with it at some workplaces. I am always on the hunt for a nice packable hat, especially these styles, because I still do have my favorite one from Banana Republic that I refuse to give up, but they are not making it at the moment. This is sizable, so I am wearing it in the medium large. They do have a small medium as well, and it's only $19.50. Even though it is very packable and was comfortable, I did feel like it kind of had a funny fit to it. It felt very tall, and so you would just have to know that going in, but they do have one with a white stripe as well. Next up is this floral ruffled midi dress. This did not translate well, in my opinion. On the hanger, it looked pretty cute, but I just felt like I was in some sort of cosplay, or I was going to try to dress up for like a themed event in this particular print. I also did not like the front where the ruffle is on the chest because it gaped open. It does have lining underneath to make it kind of comfortable and breathable with like a cotton lining. I'm showing a $49.50 price point, and I'm wearing it in a size 6, so it does run just a tiny bit loose. This is what we're going to end on, and this was the star of the show. This is a one-shoulder midi dress. Lowest price I've seen is $69.50. I am wearing it in a size 6, and that's important to know because I really think it's more true to size. It barely fit me on top, and I am a pear shaped, and I was having a good day. So I would definitely say go true to size on this. You will obviously have to wear some form of a special bra with it, but I think it is so cute. You could actually take the belt off and just really make it your own. You could dress this up or down, has really beautiful hidden pockets in it, and I think it would be a great wedding guest dress, any kind of event that you have, but then also just throw it on with sandals, and you could have just a really fun outfit for vacation or just running errands. And I just love how elevated it felt with the one shoulder. And you just can't go wrong with this shade of blue. I think it's flattering on just about everybody. I felt so good in this dress that I'm trying to find an event just so I can come back and purchase it, because I really don't have a need for it, but I cannot tell you enough how much I love this dress. It is so good. All shopping links are in the description box below and on the LTK app. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and until next time, I'll see you soon.